ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you.
Good morning. Alas 7 pa lang. Pero nag-prepare na ako ng lulutuin ko para mamaya tanghali. Kasi ngayon yung alis nila, Race, tsaka, yeah, ng family. And dito ako nag-open kasi tulog pa sila. So, nasa kusina na ako. Meron akong hinihiwa. Ang gagawin ko ay kaldereta for lunch. And gagawa rin ako ng cake. Yung cake na cheesecake. So, yan, naghihiwa na ako. So, para lumambot na ito. Nilitan ko lang yung paghiwa para mabilis lumambot.
Saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew.
Para sa cake na gagawin ko, isasayang ko lang ito. Ihit na pala ako para ma-share na natin yung ibang meat.
I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't
9:30 na. Gising na si Arla ang unang nagising sa kanila. Tapos si Dan. Tapos lahat na. Si Kuya Za. And ayan na pala yung aking gagawin na cake. I love you, Bono.
know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
Show to the guys. Say guys, I got yogurt. What flavor?
Berry.
Berry. Can you see yourself there? Yeah, look. Kita nyo ba siya? Berry. Do you want me to open? Come on.
Yeah.
Yes. Please. Come here. Siya din na kumain niya. Pangalawa niya na to. What you say? Come here. Say. Say to the guys. Good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm making cake.
Okay.
Gawa ako cake. Ang galing nito sumunod ng Tagalog sa live selling. Manood ka ng live selling. Ano?
Bili na.
Bili na! Dong! Oh, come here, say to the guys. Say, bili na. Say to the guys, come here. Say, bili na.
Ano?
Say, mura lang. Mura.
Ano?
Mura lang. Kagabi, ang cute niya. Mura lang. Tama ka din. Mag-live selling ka rin sa ano ko, hindi, sa live ni Manay.
Bili na.
Bili na. Ilagay ko lang to sa cup.
What are you making, Mom?
Your favorite one, the cake. Your and Tita's favorite.
Why, that's my favorite
That's your
favorite too?
Ilagay ko lang siya sa parang cupcake para easy sa'yo sa on the way.
Oh wow! Thank you!
Para hindi siya ano. Yes!
Yeah.
Yeah, all the yogurt. That's the last one.
Okay. cake, baby? Do you wanna eat this cake? This is very spongy, baby.
Look at the cake, lovely. Yummy, lang cake.
You want cake? You want cake?
Baon ko daw yan. Baon ko daw yan, Bob. Yummy baon for mommy.
Hindi, girl.
Don't stop.
Yes.
Kumuha ko ng cup.
Gonna go back to bed. What's
Ito.
that?
You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I think I've waited all these years for you right here. But how will I ever know if you go? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna
Ayan, i-bake na natin siya. And, mayroon pang natira. Ayan, kasha.
Ano gagawin mo sa kanila?
After nito.
Ay. Hello. Ay, laming din. Ay,
Punta muna ako ng car, may kukunin ako. Nakabalik na ulit tayo, guys. Bilis lang ako sa car. Ayan, yung ating cupcake. Malapit na. And ito yung caldereta natin. Si Sisi nakabihis na. Nag-i-impake na siya. Si Jan, wala pa. 10, ano na, 10-10. Sige, Arlo kasi laging sinasabi, not fair. So, ginagaya na siya ni Isa.
You're not fair. You're not fair. You're not fair. You're not funny, peanut. Oh, no, you're funny, are you, boy? No. You're funny. No, not
Harap.
funny. Are you funny sa araw? Not funny. I know.
Lagi ko siyang hinahalo kasi para hindi masunog yung ilalim. Ating cupcake. Ready na to. Ayan. Meron pa tayong isasala. Palamigin ko lang siya saglit. Twelve pieces. Isang dozena. Ayan, kasha.
Hello, try it.
Try. You like it? Mm-hmm.
What do you say?
Ate, you know how to eat like this, Ate. Give it to me.
Open
You
the...
have to open this. Like this. Round. Like that. In your mouth? Are you eating my cake? Is it good? You like Tita Manay's cake? Say, masarap. Say, masarap. Look at the camera. Say, masarap. What? More cake? You want more?
Yes.
Yeah, cute ni Arlo. Oh, yeah. Yes, more. Gusto niya pa daw more.
Your favorite, Alo?
Is that your?
It's my favorite.
It's your favorite.
What is it, Alo? What is it?
What
Cake.
cake?
Cake. And it's your favorite cake?
Yeah.
In the whole wide world?
Yeah.
You say
You
it.
have with Arlo.
Like loud.
Whole wide world.
Oh, talaga naman.
It's your favorite cake in the whole wide world.
Yeah.
Say it.
Oh, what you say?
Say to Tito Manay.
Welcome. Oh, ang cute ni Arlo.
So much?
Yeah.
Oh.
Good boy.
I know, it's really good. Oh, God, Mommy got it.
Good size too, Arlo, for you.
Yeah, it's perfect.
No, Arlo boy. O, yung isa nagwawala.
Hindi, tumatawa.
Tumatawa ba?
Happy lang
Is it good, Arlo boy? Is that your favorite cake now?
in the whole wide world?
Yeah. Oo, nakaligo na pala ako. And tapos na lahat ng ating niluto. Ayan na yung calderettes. Tumawag si Jen, mag-late daw siya. So mag-ano na ako. Maghain ako kasi anong oras na? 11:41. Lagyan na natin itong cheese nag-melt na. Ang bilis ng oras.
Oo nga eh. May rice ka?
Yes, andoon. Dali na lang yan.
Oh my gosh, ang dami. Pero kumakain naman si ano nito eh.
Si Jan.
Si Jan yan.
Pero kung doon ka para sa mamay, wala ka nang lulutuin.
Kaya hindi naman talaga ako magluluto mamaya. Maglalaba ako. Grabe kong laba.
May ako din maglaba din ako. Gandang araw.
Oh my gosh.
Maglaba din ako.
Yeah.
Magla-live. Maglaba. Mag-edit muna ako. Tapos
I-load mo lang.
Oo,
Tapos,
tapos
ano ka.
sisak na magsasampay. Sisak naman nagsasampay.
Tapos after maglaba. Tapos ngayon kasi may dryer na ako. After
Madali
maglaba,
na.
magtupi.
Tupi agad.
Tupi agad. Wala nang hintay-hintay. Yun lang.
Pinabilis yung trabaho
Kaya
mo.
nga. Sabi ni Holly, I let him look properly.
Ang saya nila.
Yeah.
Kala mo na, nanalo sa loto. Diba, hindi natin ito kasi ang... Uy! Sarap niyan. Ano ka? Ano ang gagawin mo? Huwag mo gagawin.
Sabi ko, mas okay, anuhan yung floor kaysa sa kamay mo. Ito naman.
Hi. In a minute, we'll get...
Oh, yes, I love this stuff, mate.
Yeah, well, just wait. I'm gonna prepare. I'll call you, okay?
So I'm in the game.
Yeah.
I'll just not.
You gotta stop your game to eat. Yeah.
Ang tawa mo dyan. Ang tawa mo dyan.
Winite ko na.
Wala ko. Tawa-tawa ka dyan. Ang laki ng tawa mo. May kasalanan ako, tita ma, na nagsukanin naman na dyan.
What's this calendar?
Yeah, the caldereta.
The caloretta. Nabinyagan niya na lahat ng parte ng bahay mo. Ganyan sukat.
Bininyagan niya na. Just wait a bit now. I'm just gonna cut this one. It's nice and cold. Ngayon nang wala si Taj. Ngayong araw.
Paano kami makakapag-goodbye kay Taj?
Everyday siya nandito. Nung simula nandito kayo. Ngayon lang siya wala.
Oo, pakainin sana natin.
Oo, si Taj. Ang bait-bait niya ni Taj.
Yun, naalala ko yun siya. Oo, naman siya muna sa trampoline niya. Naalala ko siya. Pumunta na siya doon. Tapos nakagana. Cute-cute lang.
Ang laki na
Pakabait
rin.
lang. Yeah.
Yeah, that's how we
You found your squishies. I'm so happy for you, babe.
Before you
That is
go,
so
see? Before you
good.
go home.
Hello, what the heck? You're so funny, Alo.
you go.
Nalobat kayo kanina guys. So,
Sorry.
ito may footprints tayo. cherry and watermelon.
Happy.
I'll put it on that.
Yan ang ating... Wala na. Kutsara tinidor.
I'll live it out.
Oh, hindi girl.
He doesn't wanna go on?
Hindi ba? Kumain na ba siya?
Oo, kanina. Antok na naman yan, babe.
Antok na naman. Tulog na naman ang indie girl. Ito ka natin sila. Zach! Ang dami pang fruits na kakainin, guys. But ito, sa ngayon, yan. Okay, put that hat. Okay. Oh, but, you have to put that one, baby. Oh, bring Isla. Isla wants to come. Okay, go. Hoy, boy. Where are you going? Kuya Sak is going now, baby. No, you don't have to. What?
She's bringing her squishy to the shop.
Do I have a shot?
Yeah, shops. I asked him to get Coke.
Mama,
Oh,
I will change this mind.
Huh?
I will change this mind.
Oh, alam mong kinuha niya naman.
Oh, you can't.
Pera. Yeah. Oh, ano, nalalamig ng food.
Mommy, can I go now?
Yeah, go.
Isabella's coming too.
Oh, everyone's going. Bahala kayo dyan.
Ayla, nakahat na ang cute.
Oh. Dong, where's your hat? It's hot. Okay, go.
Daddy, go bye-bye. Go run.
Bye. Sabi nga ni Dan, mag-ano na lang daw sila. Mag-car.
Mag-drive na lang ako doon. Wala talaga gusto tayo.
My plate. Can I have my plate?
That's Tita Manay's plate.
Can I have? Thank you.
Let Kuya Zach help, please. Alo.
What the hell?
Hayaan mo na. Kung gusto niya maging independent man.
Thank you, Kuya. Thanks, Kuya.
Thank you, Kuya.
요즘 내 얘기가 재미없어진 이유를 찾았어 I've been wasting all this time finding words to let go Cause I'm looking for Neverland Backtracking on memory lanes Hoping it's not just a wonder I can't be watching Waiting for changes Wondering for the right time Cause I noticed we came to a pavement that crumbles It's just a merry-go-round I don't think it's you
Tapos na kami kumain and ito padala ko to kay Raz.
Yung pink na towel hindi nagamit. Kasi yung kay hindi ko ginamit sa kanya. Pero yung dalawa lang yung nagamit. Nandun lang sa bed.
Yeah.
Is that chocolate? Dada? Is that chocolate?
Oh my gosh, lahat yan? Tingnan mo naman si ano. Si Kuya at saka si Zach.
Si Holly lang naman ko tayo. Nakuha mo na ako. Ano mo?
It's Kuya's favorite cake in the whole wide world.
Mag-ano na ang mata niya, mapipila niya. Lagi na lang siya pinapatulog. Yung pagkagatasin niya, mamaya, nandun na lang, tulog na
Nasa
naman.
karto, tulog to.
Lagi niya lang pinapatulog ang batang yan. Bilis lumaki, kita niyo? Oh my God! Everyday, parang lumalaki siya. Tulog na tulog. Mama mo na, tingnan mo. Kasya pa ba to?
Tawa lang ng tawa.
Kasya, masakit din yung tulog niya, ha?
Namaho na naman. Maho na naman ka.
Naligo ka lang kagabi. Namaho ka na naman. Pero at least hindi na siya yung maraming suka. Konti na lang. Hindi tulad.
Kunti-kunti, yun naman yung matagal na sa beli sa mas mabaho. Tawa na naman.
Pero uso, laki-laki mo na. Ayan.
Oo, so magkita tayo. Magkita man tayo soon. Pero sa February, wala na to. Ano na kaya to?
Wala na.
Ano na to? Pupo na to.
Ano na siya? High chair na siya.
Try ko yung bamboo.
High chair na. Oh yeah.
Ayan.
Yung bambusit na ikaw. Natago mo yun o bumili ka?
Wala ako nun kasi hindi magkasya yung lips ni Ellie.
Ayaw nga. Ay, ito kasya yan.
Hindi rin siguro. Lumalaban din to eh.
Si Arlo.
Si Ellie, jugong. Hindi man kasya yung bamboo.
Si Kasya? Sure. Dahil aalis na ang aming Indy. Are you going home? Are you going back to the city? Ay, you're going back to the city? Ang bango-bango, nakabihis na siya, oh. Where does they go? Where you
Tingnan
go?
yan, 3 to 6 months. Kasyang
Kasyang.
Hindi na naabot 6 months eh. Tingnan mo nga yun, no?
Hindi. Fit na nga sa ano niya.
Fit na nga sa'yo 3 months ka pala.
Do!
Paano?
Bakit ganon? Tulog kasi ng tulog. Wala kang ginawa dito kundi tulog
Ang
lang.
laki-laki na ng muscle ni mami.
Burp. Good girl. Nag-burp ikaw.
You gonna have a good sleep? Yeah.
Oh, busog eh.
You gonna have a
Busog siya eh.
Buyag. Ay.
Busog man siya. Uwi na po siya ng city. Uwi na siya ng city.
Ang ganda ng kakulayan yung
Ganda
dalawa.
ah. Baba. Maganda raw ang ating color ng damit.
Ganda ng kakulayan niyo. Very summer kayong dalawa. Who is that?
And si Mami, tingnan nyo, rap na rap.
Napaka-itim ni mami.
Hi, ate.
Si Ayla din, ganda din ng color.
Oo. Hi, ate. Are you
Ayla?
going to the city now?
Ayla, we're thinking we should leave Indy here.
Can I borrow?
Can we leave her here? Why not?
Why not? How about Tita Man? I want baby.
She wants to have a baby in the house. She doesn't have a baby.
Yeah, can I borrow Indy, ate? Just for one night. One night? No?
Toilet ako eh.
Sabi niya, gawa kayo eh. Ay! Ay, ang ganda. Hindi, ang ganda ng ano, puti-puti. Parang si Kuya Sak. Si Sak at saka si Tigang pinakamaputi kong anak. You're going now? Go to Tito Jan now. Alis na sila. Alas dos na. Go to Tito Jan now. Say bye-bye now. Si Sak, inaasar na naman si Do. Bye-bye now. What's the baby? Here. Here. What do you want? What you want? Baby, what do you want? Yeah, okay. You're welcome. A bit big, the nappy.
Nappy.
Arlo.
It's pee.
Just change him?
Yeah. I got in the car.
Okay. Come on, hug.
Just take a cut. That's good. You have a nappy for her.
Daddy will just grab the nappy quickly.
Oh. Say bye-bye na to Ate Holly. See ya. May sarili tong mundo. Ang cute.
Daddy's getting a nappy just
Yes, yan nape. Bye, Ayla do ate. Bye. Ay.
Big hug ate.
Big hug, ate. You want see Ate Holly? Big hug. Say see ya. Bye-bye na to Kuya Sak. No. Ayaw niya kayo magay kay Kuya Sak. Oh, see you, guys. Thank you. Not worries. Bye. Bye, Kuya Sak. Say bye, Kuya Sak. Hindi ko alam kung anong what's that noise? I don't know. May pinakita siya. Bye. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon!
6:19 na guys. Dito na kami sa shed. Ayan, 6:19. Nakapag-nap pala ako. And then si Jan nag-order ng pizza. May kaldereta kami doon. May tira pa kami kaldereta. Kasi nga, kala ko yun ang kakainin nila. Kasi nandito yung friend ni Jan, si Dino. Magkipizza na lang kami. You know, umaga pa ang aking mata. Kagigising ko lang mga an hour naman. Pero ganyan talaga mata ko pag nakatulog ako. And si Sak, after umalis nila Race, nagpatid siya dito kay daddy niya sa skate park.
Are you staying home tonight?
Why?
I don't know, Zach said he is. No,
I'm not sure.
Are you? Are you home? Dad's taking me to the mountain tomorrow. What are you
Huh?
going on tonight? Dad's taking me to the mountain tomorrow.
You're going to the mount?
Yeah, Dad said.
Why?
Change the games
What games?
on the PS4. Like, get
Swap
card-
it?
Like, we're gonna give the games to them and get money out of them and get gift cards, so I can get
Online.
games for the PS5.
Okay.
So Miles just stay the night because Dad will come home, and we can go up after his shower.
Okay.
I'm staying in the shed. Are you?
I'm not sure.
She's not, because we gotta go to Mount. So I gotta go to Mount. Because Dad can't just go there, come back, get me, and go back.
Okay.
So we'll go home tonight.
Alright.
Looks like I'm taking over the shed again. Guess the time I wake up.
11.
11 o'clock. Again. Dad just wants to go get pizzas. Mum
Yeah,
wants
he's
to go
coming
shed
now.
in the morning. Oh, yeah.
Oh, well, it's sure. Yeah, what's that one? Yeah, maybe Kyle and Joe. May ano kasi, shortboard doon. And dinala ko yung fruits, yung kinat ko kasi hindi naman naubos. And ayan yung pizza.
What's that?
I cut fruits. Watermelon and cherry. Hi, Din. Good. Ito yung pizza na. Meron tayong garlic bread. Aray ko. What's this? Hawaiian. What's this? Meat lovers?
Not that hungry, Dad.
And, oh, there's Supreme. And what's this one? This is the Hawaiian. Sa, can you move it there, please? Hawaiian. Ang dami naman. Kami lang naman, tapos chicken, barbecue.
I'm not that hungry.
Hawaiian.
That's the one.
This is Meat Lovers.
That's good.
That's the.
Supreme.
No, it's his cookie.
Chicken daw to. Ang laki naman. Chicken.
Larger.
Sa akin daw. Ang daming pizza. Isa lang yung nakain ko. Baunin niyan ni Din tsaka ni Jan. Bukas kasi mag-fishing sila.
Well, kids.
Hindi lahat. Kasi ang dami naman yan.
Everything.
7.29 na. And eto, may natirang konting cherry tsaka watermelon. Hinagay ko sa paper plate para bukas kay kuya. Kainin niya. And eto, yung tira para kay kuya. Kainin niya din bukas. And eto, baon ni Jan. And then, baon ni Dino. Tapos, sa anak niya na babae, baka kumain. So, ayan. Para wala ng boxes dito. Night.
Oh, a tip for the video. Please like, thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe. Having that.
See you on the next vlog.
Bye.
Night, guys. Anong oras na? 8:15.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.